Now, a lot of you all may or may not know, but I am currently on a fitness journey. I have been looking for a ton of different things in order to improve my body during this time, and since I've been in the gym, I've also been looking for something to improve my immune system. I have came across the perfect product for that, and something that also works for a ton of other things. You all are absolutely not going to be able to believe all that this product is beneficial for. Now, this right here is something that a lot of you guys have probably heard about. It has been all over the internet for a while now, and it is something that is extremely beneficial to your body. It is going to help to improve your health in many ways and also improve just your overall energy. If you are someone who is scared of any of the sicknesses that is floating around, this is your #1 go-to because it is going to be extremely beneficial to you. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, since I am on a workout kick, this is a product that is going to help you to build strong muscles, okay? This is going to help you to be able to improve your bum, your legs, your body, your arms, just everything about yourself at an overall faster pace. Now, this right here also contains a specific acid that is called taurine that will help you to be able to burn body fat at a faster pace. And it can also help you to build muscle. So whether you're doing cardio or whether you're doing strength, this is your go-to. Now, a lot of you guys may be going, well, what is she talking about? Well, your girl is talking about a sea moss. I have been taking sea moss for a while now, and I started off with the sea moss capsules. These are from Herbal Vineyards. And you guys, these are amazing. As you can see, I only have 2 left because I have been taking these and loving these. They give me such a burst of energy and they help me out so much while I'm in the gym. So pretty much every night I'll take myself a capsule, and by the morning time I'll be rejuvenated, I'll be feeling good, just feeling amazing, you guys. Now, I also have something that I'm going to share with you guys towards the end of this video. I'm going to share with you guys exactly how I use the sea moss gels as well, which I have right here. You guys, these are so amazing and they are great for putting in things like smoothies and just for consuming overall. Now, sea moss, also known as Irish moss, contains 92 of 102 essential minerals for the human body. It contains calcium, manganese, bromine, iron, and protein, which we all know that protein is amazing for building up those muscles. Sea moss is also an amazing beverage/food for weight loss. Sea moss is also highly beneficial for healing the skin, wounds, eczema, and premature aging, which for those of you guys that are not aware, I have eczema. Sometimes it gets extremely bad, but I can tell you guys that sea moss has been a great help for me for that as well. So enough of me blabbering. Let me share with you guys exactly how I make my sea moss smoothie, and then I'm going to come back and talk a little bit more with you guys. Now, today I will be making a sea moss smoothie. All the ingredients used in this smoothie will be listed down below for you guys, so make sure that you check it out. This is amazing and it tasted absolutely amazing, you guys. Now, as we've discussed a few of the benefits of sea moss, I wanted to discuss a few more with you guys because, wow, it is absolutely amazing. Number 1, it is a great source of iodine. It also supports gut health, and as I mentioned earlier, it can also help to boost your immunity. There is so much stuff floating around nowadays, and you want to stay as healthy as you possibly can. So sea moss is high in iron and antioxidants, which both contribute to immune health. Now, if you are someone who works out a lot like myself, it can build muscle and aid in workout recovery, which is another great thing. Now, I love mixing sea moss into things like smoothies because for a lot of people the taste is not very pleasant and the texture can be a bit weird for some. But once you mix it into a smoothie, you won't even be able to taste it. So very simple, very easy. Just add it into something like a smoothie or pretty much any beverage of your choice. Taking the sea moss capsules has also been extremely beneficial to me. I have been taking these for a while now. Before I even knew about the sea moss gel, I was taking sea moss capsules, and you guys, they have given me such a burst of energy. They have also helped me during workouts and things of the like. As mentioned earlier, sea moss contains iron. Now, when you have a lack of iron within your body, it can make you feel tired and lethargic. So it is always great to have that extra boost of iron, and sea moss is great for just that. You guys, I absolutely love sea moss, and I would 100% recommend that you guys check out sea moss for all the amazing benefits that it has to offer. And let me reiterate this, it contains a whopping 92 out of the 102 minerals that the human body needs. There is absolutely nothing else like this. It is a superfood that you guys definitely need within your lives. Now, sea moss is also great at fighting against premature aging. It can be used as a facial to restore elasticity and firmness to create new skin. The iodine and mineral compounds produce collagen, which plumps the skin, smooths out wrinkles, tones, and fights against the signs of aging. It is also great for the thyroid, with the ability to help balance thyroid hormones and reduce inflammation in the body, including inflamed joints. This natural superfood contains compounds which act as antimicrobial and antiviral agents, helping to boost immunity and remove infections from the body. It detoxifies the body of heavy metals, pollutants, and carcinogens. It is absolutely amazing today. Get your hands on some Herbal Vineyards sea moss, cause honey, it will change your life. So, if you guys are interested in sea moss, make sure that you check it out down below in order to become a healthier, more beautiful, stronger person. Also, if you're on a weight loss journey, this is absolutely perfect for you. Let me tell you all something. My sea moss smoothie tasted absolutely delicious. There was not a drop left in that cup after I was finished. I definitely recommend that you guys check this out down below and also enjoy all the amazing benefits that sea moss has to offer. And if you guys have never heard of Herbal Vineyards, make sure that you guys check out their Instagram page as well as for their website down below. I will have everything listed for you guys so that you can purchase your very own sea moss. And that is it, you guys. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming. Bye.